In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable participant screen sharing in Zoom for Windows. This is an essential feature when you're leading a collaborative session and want everyone to be able to share their content seamlessly. Let's walk through the steps to make this happen. First, you'll want to start by opening the Zoom application on your Windows computer. If you haven't already, you'll need to log in using your Zoom credentials. Once logged in, you're greeted with the main dashboard, which offers various options like starting a new meeting, joining a meeting, scheduling one, and more. For our purpose today, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the window. You'll find a gear icon there, which represents your settings. Go ahead and click on this icon to access the Zoom settings. Upon entering the settings menu, you'll notice a list of options on the left side. Find the one labeled Share Screen. It provides you with different settings related to screen sharing. This is where we'll enable the feature for participants. Now, take a look at the main panel to the right. It should display multiple options regarding screen sharing with a section labeled Who Can Share, with two options beneath it, Host Only and All Participants. By default, the setting is typically on Host Only. We need to change this to all participants to allow everyone in your meeting to share their screens. Simply click on All Participants, ensuring that this selection is saved before you exit this menu. Once you've made this adjustment, I recommend reviewing any other screen sharing settings based on your specific meeting needs. For instance, there are additional features that allow the host to control who can start sharing when someone else is already sharing, and you might also consider enabling or disabling the annotation feature, which allows the participants to draw on a shared screen. It's crucial to explore these settings based on your meeting's requirements. With these settings adjusted, you're now set to allow participants to share their screens during your Zoom meetings. To put these settings to the test, go ahead and start a new meeting, or join an existing one. Once you're inside the meeting room, check the bottom of the Zoom window and you'll see an option called Screen Share which, when hovered over, will indicate your current screen sharing permissions. By following these steps, you've unlocked greater potential for collaboration in your Zoom meetings, promoting a more interactive and engaging environment for all participants involved. It's an excellent way to ensure everyone has the opportunity to contribute effectively. If you have any questions about other features or need further clarification, feel free to explore Zoom support resources for comprehensive guidance. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your enhanced Zoom meetings.